Today you're going to learn this song completely stripped back, unplugged right now.
Is she really going out with him?
Pretty woman walking with the grillers down my street. Hey there budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you those forgotten songs we all love to remember. And this week's song is a classic from English rocker Joe Jackson. Released in 1978, look, it's a great song. It's a bit of a commentary about his observation about why is it that all the hot girls around seem to be going out with butt ugly guys. And my personal favourite line in the song is, I wash my hair and I kid myself I look real cool. Now I reckon that's something that every young guy and girl probably could relate to at one point in their life. Look, surprisingly, this song only peaked at number 21 on the US charts, 13 on the UK charts and 15 on the Australian charts. So I actually thought it made a number one, but it didn't. But nonetheless, it's a pretty memorable song, and I think what makes it memorable are the lyrics, and it's got a really funky, catchy 4-chord progression throughout the whole verse, which I'm about to show you right now. Alright, let's get into the verse. The standard guitar setup is standard stringing, and of course I'm a left-hand guitarist playing on a right-hand strung guitar, so all my finger patterns may appear upside down to you. Don't let that worry you, because I'll put the chord patterns up there on the screen, and you just, as long as you get your fitting hands in the right place, you can follow along. Now, I'm going to capo this on number 3. Okay, the verse has 4 recurring chords, starting with a C, that's the root chord of the song, to a G, I do a G bar chord, then an A sharp, and then an F. And you'll hear it go together like this. Pretty woman walking with the grillers down my street. So those 4 chords over and over again, and the strumming is pretty much a down, block, down, block. And the blocking is just down strumming, and then you're blocking the strings on that down action. That's what I mean by a block. Hey folks, as you know, I always do a full song sheet for every one of these lessons. Got the chords, the lyrics, everything you need to know to practice and play this song, and also to build up your songbook, just like I'm doing with mine. How to get to it? Go to my Patreon page. You can download it for free. No email required there. But while you're at Patreon, look, if you like the work that I do and you want to support me, for the cost of as little as a coffee a month, you can support the work I do. But hey, look, any support you guys give me is truly appreciated. Now let's get back to the lesson. Okay, the chorus, is she really going out with them? The chords, pretty much similar. F, it's got a G, it's got a C, and it's got an E minor and an A minor. Okay, I'll just string those together. I'll give you the quick demo, okay? Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? I guess my eyes don't deceive me. Something going on around here. Back to that verse. A sharp, F, C, G, A sharp. Second verse. Night's the night when I go to all the parties down my street. And so on like that. Then the last part of the song is the bridge. And I reckon the bridge, I get a bit lost in the bridge to be honest, but anyway, we'll just play it out. You can, at a campfire you don't have to do this, but to play the song properly you need to know the bridge. It's really E minor, F and G, right? E minor, F and G, and that sort of recurring circle. I'll just sing it for you right now. F looks good, kill F. There's a man whose G marked down as dead. I'm at my fill F. Listen to your hands from her head. E minor, F, F, G, 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 F. back to the top of the verse. And just have fun with that. So that's the basics to Joe Jackson, Is She Really Going Out With Him? Now folks, this song's actually inspired me to do a little mini series on what I'll call quirky English songs that we've all forgotten, and next week I've got a classic one-hit wonder from 1981. I wonder what that'll be. Thanks for tuning in folks. I know you got a lot of choice on YouTube, so the fact that you chose to watch this means a heck of a lot to me. Remember, in Campfire Guitar Hero, all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.